As the seasons change, so should your screens. At Metro Screenworks, we've got everything you need to keep your home comfortable, energy efficient, and ready for cooler months ahead. Let's start with the draft blocker, an economical way to stop those pesky drafts. Inside your home, simply swap your window screens for these pre-framed clear vinyl panels to instantly add an extra barrier against the chill. And the best part? You can do the same on porches and patios too, keeping those outdoor spaces comfortable all season long. Need to winterize a space that doesn't fit a standard opening? Clear vinyl rolls are the perfect solution and have endless uses. Enclose your patio, protect your greenhouse or chicken coop, or even cover furniture and floors. If you can imagine it, vinyl can handle it. Want a sleeker upgraded option for your porch or patio? Tempered glass panels are custom cut to fit your space exactly. By swapping out porch screen panels with tempered glass, you can keep the cold out, hold the warmth in, and enjoy your outdoor spaces no matter the season. Got older windows? Our storm windows are a cost-effective alternative to full window replacement. They attach to the outside of your home, adding insulation and saving you money, all for a fraction of the cost of new windows. From draft protection to full enclosure solutions, Metro Screenworks has the products you need to make your home or business more comfortable and efficient this fall and winter. Metro Screenworks, serving homeowners, contractors, and businesses nationwide since 1979. Visit metroscreenworks.com today and get your home ready for the season ahead.